Hello everyone, welcome back to I Am Not a Barista, and today we have a very special unboxing to share with you all. This seems to be a very new popular hand grinder that has been getting some buzz on Instagram, and we are lucky to give you the first look right here. So this just arrived today. It was wrapped in a couple of layers of plastic film, no shipping box or extra protection, which is, well, an interesting choice. But hey, what's more exciting to see is what inside the box, right? So let's dive in. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. It's a little bit damaged. Fingers crossed that everything inside is still in good shape. So let's take a look. Alright, we are greeted with the welcoming message. I am a barista, a team of diverse professionals, united by our love for coffee and passion for innovation and blah blah blah. And here is a card that says, I am a barista. Welcome to the I am a barista coffee community. I'm sorry. It's not just about the coffee here, it's where we express our passion and creativity for life. So thank you for the welcoming. We really love to join your community. We definitely share so many interesting similarities, right? So let's keep exploring. And this is the user menu for Essence Go. Oh, surprise, surprise. We see Danny here, right in the middle, and of course, I am a barista. And the rest are pretty standard stuff like instructions, tips. Alright, now the main event. Let's take a look at the grinder itself. Alright, it comes with the case. Nice. And let's open it. Voila. Wow, this is the grinder. Here is the crank. It comes with the wooden knob, which is pretty smooth actually. And there's even grinding guideline. Yeah, it feels decent. Nice job. It looks like there is a bit of rust on it, but not a big deal. You're probably not going to use it forever. And here is the wristband. Essence Go, Cocinare, no, I'm not a barista. Sorry, no, I am a barista. So this grinder comes wrapped in a layer of protective paper, which is nice to see. And there are some tags and prints on it, but honestly, I cannot read or understand what it's trying to say. Okay, let's just go ahead and cut this off and get a better look at the grinder itself. Oh, now I see. This makes sense now. It's actually the user instruction printed on paper, but it looks like they made a mistake, applied it with the wrong side facing out. So here we have the Essence Go grinder, and just for fun, let's bring in our own grinder. Well, the first thing I instantly noticed is the main similarity, the external adjustment dial, and this part shares a very similar vibe to the Momentum. Well, let's continue to examine this new grinder from I'm a Barista. Oh wait, my mistake, Cocinare. So let's see what else it has to offer. And we do think is a good looking grinder. It has a very sleek design, just like, and this grinder is currently having a huge discount from $329. Now you can have it for $109. So do you think it's a good deal? And do you like to join the I Am a Barista community?